Hey girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. It's this period positivity kit that I found at Ulta Beauty. This video is not sponsored, okay? I just have a period, so if you do too, girl, you wanna see this because all of these products that I'm about to show you, everything, you get all of it under $30. Now, before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family, and let's get started. The first thing that fell out was a deodorant. This says it's extra strength deodorant. Do not put it downtown unless it says that's where you're supposed to put it, because I know girls on their period get a little bit funky. Well, actually a lot of funky. And it's in like a really earthy scent, tea tree and lavender. How could you have a period kit without pads? But this one in particular is this brand called Scarlet, and it says for tweens and teens. They've got 4 different sizes of the pads, a tampon, and a hygiene wipe. I would pack this alone in my daughter's backpack, gym bag, to put in their gym locker or what have you. I can't even tell you how many times I've had so many accidents at schools because I was not prepared. This is genius. There are a few supplements in here. A lot of times when I'm feeling like it's because I'm dehydrated. And if you have a hard time drinking water, I definitely recommend trying something like this. It's called Liquid IV, and they have the most yummy, delicious flavors. Now, if you like sweet, definitely use a whole packet. But if you don't, I would start with maybe half, maybe even a quarter of the packet into a bottle of water. Shake it up really good, taste it, and if you need a little bit more sweetness or flavor, add more. They're really intense, so you've been warned, but they're also really good. Okay, we have a few patches here. We've got 2 of them from the Good Patch, and one is Dream, and then the other one is B12 Awake, and they look like this. If you've ever been on birth control, especially like the birth control patch is very similar to that, except for these are a lot lighter, and instead of, keeping you from getting pregnant, these are gonna keep you either asleep or awake. I haven't tried the one to stay awake, but the one to go to sleep, girl, it snatched me up. So make sure you're not trying to drive or go anywhere anytime soon when you wear that patch, because it will take you out. This is a heating patch. You know what I was doing? I was just using, if you guys play sports, you are probably familiar with hot hands or maybe camping or something. It's like these little packs that you shake up and they get hot. This patch is not going to go onto your skin. It's actually going to go like into your underwear, facing the parts where you need it, like either in the front of your abdomen, lower abdomen, or in your lower back. Genius. I'm like, I need to keep that. Sensitive wipes from the Honey Pot. This is actually my favorite brand of like liners and pads because if you have followed me for some time, you know that I don't use tampons. I had a really bad experience in high school and never freaking again, okay? Never. We've got a couple of gummies here, so some vitamins. First, we've got Lemme Debloat, and this is actually a really good sample size. This is a 7-day supply. There's only 2 gummies in here, so I'm like, I'm about to open that right now, you know what I'm saying? Some more wipes, and this is from Love Wellness. This is an organic cotton cover pad from Rael. And then last but not least, this is Blume Buds, and this is just like some acne patches. Apparently my body's favorite place to break out is on the tip of my nose. Cool. All of that for under $30. I feel like this is a really cool gift to gift yourself before that time of the month, or maybe someone who's about to start their period or just starting school and needs a little bit of like menstrual support, because we go through it, girl. Now let me know in the comments down below what you felt like was missing from here. In my opinion, a little bottle of wine, a bar of chocolate, and period underwear. So this is what I wear on my heaviest days, like day 2 or 3. I'll wear these because it's so intense, so gross. And then when I'm sleeping, I'll have to get up and change. Call a doctor, I feel like I'm bleeding to death. I could not sleep well without wearing one of these. It keeps you dry because it's so absorbent. It's like, there's no way, like how did it do that? But it does. These are magical. I'll make sure to put the link to these guys down below as well. You can get these at the drugstore. These are definitely a must. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more quick unboxings like this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have yet to join my family, consider hitting that subscribe button now, and take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!